It has been my great pleasure to welcome the participants of CASE 2024 in Bari, Italy, in my quality of General Chair. The conference has had almost 1,000 participants coming from all over the world, in particular from 50 countries, and we are very happy about the participation not only from the academic world but from the research centers and in particular from industry and many students. Thank you for coming to Puglia. Puglia has been chosen by our steering committee meeting now 3 years ago because of its new role as a leading hub in innovation. We think that Puglia is doing great in the direction of innovation and in particular of automation, which is the focus of the conference. Regarding the program, we have had many technical activities, but not only, also many social events that have been thought with the idea of having networking between practitioners, professors, but in particular to students. That's because our main attention is, of course, for the younger generations. In particular, Politecnico di Bari is very active, evidently, as a university in the role of automation. So we welcome all students and all prospective students to enroll at Politecnico di Bari at our courses, in particular in engineering and in automation engineering, and even our PhD programs on autonomous systems. Last but not least, let me remind that the main theme of the conference has been Automation 5.0, which is the idea of how we can improve the life of everybody, not only in industry, but in every part of our life. So also citizens, moms, dads, daughters, everybody, thanks to automation. Automation 5.0 has been the core of CASE 2024. Thanks to all the participants for having been here.
CASE 2024 is one of the leading conferences in the domain of robotics and automation. This year it has been organized in Bari and it has attracted a record number of participants from all over the world. We have 14 parallel sections dealing with a huge number of topics, most related to Automation 5.0, where the main focus is that of improving the quality of life thanks to automation. So it deals with sustainable energy, with logistics, manufacturing, with the artificial intelligence, and trying to include it in automation, which is a novelty. And a lot of attention is also devoted to cybersecurity and to other topics, also not only in automation and robotics, but also in computer engineering and so forth.
I'm very glad that they joined this 2024 case in Bari. And you see, actually, from the history of case, it started from 2005, the very first case conference. And until this year, we have 20 years anniversary. This is the 20 years anniversary. And that's fantastic because you see, we can watch, we can, in terms of something like paper submission, and the sponsor, you see, all are record high of those 20 conferences. So you see, this is fantastic. And because I serve as the steering committee chair, started from 4 years ago. And you see, and this is really an achievement and set up a bar. And it's not that easy to surpass that. But anyhow, we will try to do it. For example, the next year will be in Los Angeles, USA. And of course, we welcome all of you to attend the CASE 2025. And I think our CASE conferences will grow up and will achieve more success.
I'm really very happy to attend CASE, and I really have to recommend CASE as a top conference for automation. IEEE Robotics Automation Society is really a society that brings together robotics and automation. Automation is the future, has been the future for a long time. It has transformed every single piece of our industry as well as our world today. The fact that we focus here on Industry 5.0 is crucial. It's already looking forward to the next generation of automation. We have fantastic industry here in the south of Italy. It was not that well known. I really recommend the fact that the conference has been held here. It was tremendously important to transform the view that we have of Italy, where we think mostly of the north, but the south has so much to bring, especially in terms of logistics and marital industry. It was an excellent idea to hold a conference in the south of Italy. It's a location that is key to all the industry that is done in Italy. It has allowed all the participants to visit many of those factories and to see the tremendous growth that is happening here in this part of Europe. I look forward to see more of automation that think the way that it's been presented here, automation that think also of a future that is sustainable, a future that is efficient, a future that is thinking of humans as part of the automation process.